Hey there, students of Adams School. I am just giving you a couple tips and tricks on how to use Notability. So for this project, first thing you want to do is bring in your clips that you're going to use for your graphics. So you're going to bring these into your pictures. So when you're looking for graphics, it's best to use clip art or line drawings. And it's helpful to use the black and white. So you can see here I'm looking for a bear. I put in bear black and white, and then I think I chose clip art. I clicked on the clip art, and these give you the best results in the laser cutters. So you're going to pick an image that has a high contrast value, meaning there's a lot of definition between the black and the white. So in here I took a picture of that with your iPad. And many of you know to take a picture or screenshot with your iPad, you simply hold on the power button and the home button at the same time. And that takes a picture. And from that little picture, you can edit the picture. You can crop it the way you want to. And then you can save that into your photos. So you can see here that I'm just looking for other items to bring in. So bring in all the pictures that you want to do before this next step. Okay, and then once you get all your pictures put in there, then you want to go to Notability. And when you open up Notability, you'll click the little plus button. I think it's plus button. Yeah, you start the new plus button. You hit the plus button, that starts a new one. And oh, that's right. You can hit the plus button and you can go to your photos and you can pick out all of the items that you're going to add to your drawing. So it's a little bit funky because I noticed I accidentally clicked on the pen a few times, but between using the hand button and the marker if you want to draw on it and the text button if you want to text in there, you're going to create your image, okay? And this is kind of the artistic part where you need to click on the objects and scale them and move them around. And once you're done with arranging the items the way you like them, then you're going to save your file. Save your files to your photos. I either take another screenshot or save it into my photos. Either way, I just try to get it into the photos because then you have a lot of flexibility on how you want to submit it to the teacher. Okay, hope this helped. See ya.